Hi, imagine it's springtime and you go out to do some gardening after a long winter. The next day or next few days you may find that you're aching or stiff. These unpleasant symptoms are obviously side effects of the gardening, perhaps using muscles you haven't used in a while. And we know that in the long run these unwanted effects will decrease as our fitness and our stamina improves. This is very much the case with Buteyko. Although the breathing exercises don't seem to be very demanding, they can in fact lead to significant changes in the way you breathe and your metabolism. In Buteyko, these effects are known as clearing reactions. They're usually fairly short-lived, typically 2 to 3 days, but in some people they may persist for longer. In general, the faster you progress and the more intensive your efforts to reduce your breathing, the more likely it is that clearing reactions will occur, although around 30% of people seem to escape them altogether. The symptoms vary greatly between individuals, but most often they're cold-like symptoms such as headaches, increased mucus production, runny noses, that sort of thing, feeling generally under the weather, nausea, muscle and joint aches, perhaps diarrhoea or a mild fever. How can you overcome these clearing reactions? Well, the first thing is to reduce the amount of air hunger in your Buteyko practice for the next couple of days. Also, many people find that taking simple medicines, such as those you'd normally use if you've caught a cold. The traditional treatment recommended by Professor Buteyko is to take 1/3 of a teaspoon of sea salt dissolved in a large glass of water. And this can work particularly well for symptoms such as headaches. The most persistent of these clearing reactions is mucus discharge from the nose, especially in people who haven't used their nose to breathe for a very long time. The symptoms may get worse for up to 14 days, and then the nose gradually becomes clearer and clearer. Once the nose is cleared, it tends to stay clear, but it may take a month or more before the nose is completely clear. It's important to recognise that symptoms of asthma, such as breathlessness, are not a part of a clearing reaction. If you have asthma or breathlessness symptoms, then this should be treated as directed by your doctor. When might I get clearing reactions? Most clearing reactions happen in the first week of practice, but there can be a second reaction with every 10-second increase in control pause. So, for example, people starting with a control pause of 10 might experience immediate clearing reactions and then have another set when their control pause hits around 20. Here again, if you're having problems, an experienced Buteyko teacher can help to guide you through this and provide encouragement and advice on how to cope with this without giving up Buteyko practice. Okay, bye.